Reading English words vocabulary. Fin, fin, face, face. Fork, fork. For, for. Frog, frog. Flower, flower. Fence, fence. Fire, fire. Football, football. Fight, fight. Fox, fox. Fish, fish. Father, father. Fan, fan. Guitar, guitar. Gum, gum. Girl, girl. Grass, grass. Grapes, grapes. Globe, globe. Gift, gift. Gate, gate. Green, green. Glass, glass. Gloves, gloves. Gas, gas. Goose, goose. Goat, goat. Hat, hat. Ham, ham. Hill, hill. Hand, hand. Hammer, hammer. House, house. Heart, heart. Hair, hair. Hospital, hospital. Horse, horse. Hospital, hospital. Horse, horse.